Achieve luminous skin with DIY face masks. Title: Achieve luminous skin with DIY face masks. Introduction: 100 words. Having healthy and radiant skin is a desire that most of us have. Achieving luminous skin doesn't always have to involve expensive beauty products or trips to the spa. One cost-effective and easily accessible way to enhance your skin's natural beauty is through DIY face masks. These homemade treatments can help rejuvenate your skin by providing essential nutrients, removing impurities, and bring out a youthful glow. In this article, we will explore the benefits of DIY face masks, discuss different types of masks for various skin concerns, and provide simple yet effective recipes for achieving luminous skin. Benefits of DIY face masks, 200 words. DIY face masks are not only affordable but also offer a plethora of benefits for your skin. By using natural ingredients, you can avoid harmful chemicals commonly found in store-bought cosmetics. Here are some additional benefits of incorporating DIY face masks into your skincare routine. 1. Nourishment. DIY face masks can provide essential nutrients and vitamins to your skin, promoting a healthy complexion. 2. Hydration. Certain homemade face masks are great for hydrating dry skin and restoring its moisture balance. 3. Exfoliation. Face masks can gently exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells, unclogging pores, and facilitating skin regeneration. 4. Healing properties. Depending on the ingredients used, DIY face masks can heal skin blemishes, reduce inflammation, and fade acne scars. 5. Relaxation. Face masks offer a calming and therapeutic experience, helping to relieve stress and rejuvenate not just your skin but also your mind. DIY face masks for various skin concerns, 300 words. Different skin types and concerns require specific ingredients and formulations. Let's delve into some DIY face mask recipes tailored to address common skincare issues. 1. Brightening mask for dull skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Turmeric is known for its brightening properties, while honey and yogurt provide moisture and nourishment. Mix the ingredients well and apply the mask to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. 2. Hydrating mask for dry skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of oats. Avocado, rich in healthy fats, helps restore moisture to dry skin. Honey acts as a humectant, locking in hydration, and oats exfoliate gently. Mash the avocado, mix it with honey and oats, and apply the mask for 15 minutes before rinsing. 3. Soothing mask for sensitive skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing properties, while cucumber provides a cooling effect. Combine the ingredients and apply the mixture to your face for 15 minutes. Rinse off gently with cool water. 4. Acne-fighting mask for oily skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and a few drops of tea tree oil. Bentonite clay absorbs excess oil, apple cider vinegar helps balance pH levels, and tea tree oil possesses antibacterial properties. Mix the ingredients into a paste-like consistency, apply it to you. our face, and leave it on until it dries. Rinse off with warm water. DIY face mask tips and precautions, 200 words. Before applying any DIY face masks, it's important to consider a few things. 1. Patch test. As various individuals may have different sensitivities, it is advisable to perform a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying the mask to your entire face. 2. Clean face. Make sure to cleanse your face thoroughly before applying any face mask. Removing dirt and makeup allows the mask to penetrate effectively. 3. Consistency. Follow the recipes precisely, ensuring the proportions and mixing instructions are accurate for optimal results. 4. Duration. Leave the mask on for the recommended time. Overextending the duration may cause dryness or irritation. 5. Frequency. Use face masks as per your skin's needs, but generally 1 to 2 times per week is sufficient. DIY face masks for anti-aging and wrinkle reduction, 300 words. Alongside addressing specific skin concerns, DIY face masks can also target signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. Here are a few effective recipes to combat the effects of aging. 1. Anti-aging mask with egg white and lemon juice. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Egg white helps tighten the skin, lemon juice brightens and evens out the skin tone, and honey moisturizes and nourishes. Whip the egg white until frothy, add lemon juice and honey, and apply the mix. Puree to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. 2. Rejuvenating mask with avocado and olive oil. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Avocado provides hydration and antioxidants, while olive oil offers deep moisturization, and lemon juice promotes skin brightness. Mash the avocado, add olive oil and lemon juice, and mix well. Apply the mask to your face for 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. 3. Firming mask with yogurt and papaya. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of mashed papaya, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Papaya contains enzymes that promote skin renewal and elasticity, while yogurt soothes and hydrates the skin, and honey moisturizes. Mash the papaya and mix it with yogurt and honey. Apply the mask tea. Oil your face for 15 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. 4. Wrinkle reducing mask with green tea and rice flour. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of brewed green tea, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, rice flour exfoliates gently, and coconut oil provides nourishment. Brew green tea and let it cool. In a bowl, mix cooled green tea with rice flour and coconut oil. Apply the mask to your face, gently massage, and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. DIY face masks can be an enjoyable and effective addition to your skincare routine. Remember to be consistent, patient, and mindful of any allergies or sensitivities you may have. Enhance your natura. Beauty and achieve luminous skin with the power of DIY face masks.